Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Coco Trial. In today's video, I'm gonna be filming how to make this delicious, tantalizing brown meat sauce and pilaf rice. Guys, this recipe is a top notch, yes, and it's a must try for each and everyone watching. So stay tuned, let's dive into the video. So the first thing I want to be doing is to add some oil into my frying pan. You can replace it with butter. Then I'm going to be adding my onion and garlic. Then I'm going to stir fry it for a minute and a half because I want to be frying my meat on each side. Make sure that you're frying this on medium heat, and then check the description box for the full ingredients details. So we're gonna be stir frying this on each side for 5 minutes. You're gonna flip it to the other side, then fry it for another 5 minutes, then flip it for about 20 to 30 minutes. So once it is well fried and it's slightly burned, yes, we need that burn part. Make sure you burn it. So we are going to be adding little water bit by bit. You add water and then still let it cook. Then after 15 minutes you can add more water. Just be adding water bit by bit till it's turned brown. So once you have your brown sauce, you're going to be adding your seasoning and spice. I used seasoning cube, salt, and black pepper. So you can use any spice of your choice as usual. So I'm just gonna give it some stirs, then add enough water to cook the meat, then cover the pot and let it cook for about 15 minutes. So while our meat is cooking, we are going to be making our pilaf rice. So I start by adding some oil into my pot. You can replace it with butter because I want to stir fry my ground nuts. So you can use any nut of your choice like cashew nuts, pistachio, and any other nuts of your choice. And make sure you're not frying this more than 3 minutes so your nuts don't end up burned. So after 3 minutes of frying in a low heat, you need to transfer it into another plate. Then I'm going to be adding some more oil. So next thing I want to be doing is to stir fry my onion and my spice. I'm using the combo of bay leaves, curry and thyme. You can use cinnamon, you can use cardamom, you can use cumin, and you can just use any spice of your choice. So feel free to use any spice of your choice for your pilaf rice. So I stir fried the spice for about 1 minute to wake up the spice. So next thing I'm going to be adding my washed short grain rice. You can use any rice of your choice. You can use long grain, you can use short grain. So I'm just gonna stir everything together to coat into each other, like to combine together. Then I'm gonna be adding my seasoning cube, salt, and some black pepper. So I'm gonna stir it well to combine as well. So guys, I'm gonna be adding some dried grapes. I told you this recipe is a must try. So just try it out and let me know what you think about it in the comment section. So we're just gonna stir this well to combine again. Then we are going to be adding our meat broth, a little bit of it, and some warm water, enough to cook the rice. Then I'm just gonna stir it well to combine. Then cover this and let it cook for about 20 minutes on a very low heat. So guys, back to our meat. This has been cooking for 15 minutes. Then I'm going to be adding some more water because I want the sauce to be a lot. Then I'm going to be adding some flour into water, then stir it well, then add it to this meat sauce. This way I've taken the sauce. So I'm just gonna stir this well together to combine, but this is too thick for my liking, so I'm going to be adding some more water. Then I'm gonna stir it again to combine, then I'll be adding my bell peppers. I'm using the combo of green, red, and yellow bell peppers. So I'm just gonna give it some stirs, then I'm gonna cover the pot and then let it simmer for 3 minutes on a low heat. So guys, our brown meat sauce is ready to serve, and you can serve this with absolutely any side dish of your choice. And here is our rice. It's also ready to serve, but there is still one more thing, the final touch. We are going to be adding our fried nuts. So we are just going to stir everything to combine, and then our rice is ready. So guys, we've come to the end of today's video. If this is your first time on my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. See you in another video. Until then, be healthy, be safe, be happy. Love you all. Bye.